Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome back to online class of EVS of class 2nd. Student, this is your second class. Your first class is over. In second class today I will give you exercise and question answer of lesson number first. As you all know, lesson number first explanation is over. Before starting the exercise and question answer, I want to ask you about your homework. What about your homework, students? Have you done that? I have given you let's warm up exercise in which you have to write your favorite things and your things which you don't like. I hope you all have done that, and 12 body parts name you have to write that. So students, if you have done your homework, then I will check you when school will reopen, and definitely I will check that. So keep doing your homework up to date. Come on, page number 12. This is your first exercise of your book, lesson number first. Here, try it yourself. Try it yourself means you have to do yourself. First is write A for always, S for sometimes, and N for never. Students, in this exercise you have to write always, sometime, never, A, S, N for the activities which you do or which you don't. First is, do you wash your hands before and after meal every day? If you do this always, you have to write here A. If you do it sometimes, you have to write here S. If you never wash your hands, then you have to write here. So student, in this way you have to complete this exercise. 1 to 7 questions. All you have to write A, S, N, which you do or which you don't do. Now this is your homework. You have to do yourself. This exercise your homework. Now come on, exercise A. Tick the correct option. First is, we should trim our nails, hairs. So answer is nails. We should brush our teeth, once teeth, twice daily. Answer is twice daily. The third, the clothes we wear should be dirty, clean. The answer is clean. Taste buds are present on the skin, tongue. On tongue. So the answer is here. All the answers are here. First is nails, second twice daily, third clean, fourth tongue. You can write down all the answer from the help of this picture. Now next exercise on page number 13. B, C and D exercise. Your B exercise is fill in the blanks. C exercise, name one thing which, and the D question answer. First of all, I will give you B exercise. Here is your B exercise. Fill in the blanks, unjumble the word given in the brackets to get the answer. Students, after clue, one unjumbled word means the word which is not in correct letter order. You all have to correct the letters order. Then you have to write the word here. But in exam you will not get the clue. You will not get the unjumbled word. You will get only fill in the blank. Only blank will be there, no other option. So student, your first is, we should sit, walk and stand with correct dash. In dash it will come posture. Now second, our tongue help us to talk. I will give you all answer. Now third is, we can bend our legs at the knee. Fourth, our dash connect the head to the chest is neck. So students, here is the all answer of fill in the blanks. First is posture, POSTURE. Second, talk. Third, knee. Fourth, neck. It is on page number 13. Now again open page number 13. Exercise C. Name one thing which first is rough, second is hard, third has a good smell, fourth make a soft sound, fifth is smooth, sixth is soft, seventh had a bad smell, and eighth make a loud sound. Here is the all answer of this exercise. Page number 13. Name one thing which is rough, wood, is hard, stone, had a good smell, flowers, make a soft sound, flute. Basuri is a smooth feather, is soft cotton ball, has a bad smell onion, make a loud sound doorbell. With the help of this picture, you can do your C exercise. Now come on, question answers. Here is your question. Below the question, one line is there. In this line, you all have to write the answers with the pencil. That should be neat and clean. And all the answer of these questions are here. Your first question. Here is your first question. You can see on page number 13. What are external organs? So the answer is those body parts that we can see are called external organs. Example, hands, legs, etc. Question number 2. What are taste buds? Our tongue is covered with tiny bumps are called taste buds. Now question number 3. Write 2 ways in which you can take care of your body. In this question you have to write 2 ways. Your first way is take a bath daily, and the second, wear clean clothes. Now fourth, name 4 tastes that your tongue can detect. So the 4 tastes are sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Your fifth question is, what does your skin help you to feel? And the answer is, your skin helps us to feel hot and cold, soft and hard, wet and dry things. Students, all the explanation I have already given you. There is no need to again explain in Hindi. So you all can write down these answers in your book. That should be neat. Now come on, page number 14. 14 fun activity is given. Solve the crossword puzzle given below. Use the clues given. Students, here are some clues given. Down and across. In down clues, second is they help you to walk. So students, in down, in this way you have to fill the answer, and in across, in this way you have to fill the answer. In down way, they help you to walk. What? Legs. Here I have written legs. In the front of question you also can write here like legs. In front of the question answer you can write also. Now second, this help us to smell. Nose. Here I have written nose. Fourth, this body part has your nose, eyes and lips. Face. It is the longest sense organ. Skin. All down questions over, clues over. Now across. You have 5 of these on each hands. Fingers. Second, these move as you speak. Lips. Here's lips. Now next, this helps you to turn your head. Third, turn your head, neck. So student, these are the answer of fun activity. Now next, hot question here. Rahul plays, here you can see here, Rahul plays video game every day. It is a way to keep his body fit and healthy. No. The answer is no, because video game is an indoor game which we play after sitting. There is no physical exercise. That is only outdoor games are very good for our health and fitness. So here you have to write no. All the exercise, question answers over, explanation over. Your first chapter is totally over. Now you all have to learn this chapter, and the homework is you all have to write exercise A, tick the correct option, exercise B, fill in the blanks, and exercise C. You all have to write in the copy after learning. First you have to learn A, B, C exercise. You have to learn. After that you have to write in copy. All the work, EVS you have to do in your book. Only homework, EVS homework you all have to do in your EVS copy. Okay students, now I will meet you in next class with next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.